Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 3rd July 2020 and in this session we are going to discuss and analyze the current affairs of 3rd July. I am Sujit Kumar Misra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs session. Okay, so proceed towards today's session. This was our previous two questions. Our first question was India's first lichen park is developed in which state? Uttarakhand, Assam, Bihar, Manipur. The correct answer here is option A, Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand Forest Department developed the first lichen park in our India. Okay, our second question is Project Platina is launched in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa, Odisha. The correct answer here is option B, Maharashtra. Recently, Maharashtra government launched Project Platina for COVID-19 patients. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Proceed towards today's first question. Which institute developed artificial intelligence based tool to detect COVID-19? IIT Bombay, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur. The correct answer here is IIT Gandhinagar has developed an artificial intelligence based deep learning tool for detection of COVID-19 from the chest X-ray image. The director of the IIT Gandhinagar is Sudhir Jain. Sudhir Jain is the director of IIT Gandhinagar. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question is which bank launched e-Kisan Dhan application for farmer? HDFC, PNB, SBI, Axis Bank. The correct answer here is option A, HDFC Bank. HDFC recently launched e-Kisan Dhan app for farmers all over the India. Through their mobile phones, the farmers will be able to access this service, both banking and agriculture. Okay, and the headquarters of the HDFC Bank is in Mumbai, and MD and CEO of the HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri. Aditya Puri is the MD and CEO of HDFC Bank. Next question. Nigar Johar appointed as first female Lieutenant General of which country? Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Nepal. The correct answer here is Pakistan. Pak Army has appointed Major General Nigar Johar as their first female Lieutenant General. She is the first female officer to be promoted as Lieutenant General. I hope you got the answer now. The capital of the Pakistan is Islamabad. Prime Minister is Imran Khan. Imran Khan is the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and President is Arif Alvi. Arif Alvi is the President of Pakistan. You can see the image of the Nigar Johar here. Okay. Question number 4. India's Shashank Manohar stepped down at ICC chairman. Now, who will be the interim head? N. Srinivasan, Imran Khawaja, Saurabh Ganguly, none of these. The correct answer here is Imran Khawaja. Imran Khawaja is now the interim head of the ICC chairman, and Imran Khawaja is the former president of Singapore Cricket Association. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Question number 5. The center has declared which state as a disturbed area till December 2020? Nagaland, Sikkim, Assam, Manipur. The correct answer here is option A, Nagaland. The area comprising the whole Nagaland is in such a disturbed area and dangerous condition that the use of the armed force in the aid of the civil power is necessary now in Nagaland. Okay. Next question. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador and permanent representative to the United Nations? Ravish Kumar, Indramani Pandey, K.R. Narayan, C.B. George. The correct answer here is Indramani Pandey. Option B is correct here. A 1990 batch IFS officer is Indramani Pandey, and he is presently served as the additional secretary in the External Affairs Ministry, and he now appointed as the ambassador and permanent representative to the United Nations. You can see the image of the Indramani Pandey here. Okay. Next question. What is the rank of Ravindra Jadeja in the list of most valuable test player worldwide by the Western magazine? First, second, third, fifth. The correct answer here is option B, second. Okay, Ravindra Jadeja has been named as the India's most valuable test player in the 21st century by the Western magazine, and he achieved the second most position behind Sri Lanka legend Muralitharan and become the India's most valuable test player. Okay, in India he got the first position, and in worldwide he got the second position after Matthew Muralitharan. Okay, you can see the image of the Ravindra Jadeja here, a famous all-rounder of our Indian cricket team. Which state has inaugurated a e-Granthasala for connecting libraries of state government universities and colleges? Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. The correct answer here is option A, Uttarakhand. Recently, Uttarakhand government launched e-Granthasala for connecting libraries of the state government universities and colleges. Uttarakhand is in news. Chief Minister is Trivendra Singh Rawat. Governor is Baby Rani Moria, and the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun is the winter capital, and Garson is the summer capital of Uttarakhand. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which country cancelled the APEC Summit 2021? New Zealand, Russia, Japan, Switzerland. The correct answer here is option A, New Zealand. Recently, New Zealand government cancelled the APEC Summit of 2021. What is the abbreviation of the APEC here? Asia Pacific Economic Corporation. Asia Pacific Economic Corporation is the abbreviation of the APEC. The headquarter of the APEC is in Singapore. Headquarter is in Singapore, and it is founded in 1989. The APEC is founded in 1989, and recently the APEC summit is cancelled by the New Zealand government. Okay, next question. Question number 10. In which financial year Fitch caught India's GDP growth 8% from 9.5%? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. The correct answer here is option C, 2022. Fitch caught India's GDP growth forecast 8% from the 9.5% in the financial year 2022. In its June update of Global Economic Outlook report. In which report? In Global Economic Outlook report is produced by the Fitch Rating. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, India's first plasma bank is going to set up in which city? Second question is, Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalaya campaign started in which state? You have to answer it in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit my channel, subscribe it for your better preparation. Stay connected with educational wing for your better preparation. Thank you.